Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about glowing skin, saving coins and trying out fun beauty tricks that actually works, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 10 trending skincare hacks that have taken over TikTok and Instagram, and yes, they actually work. Let's glow up the natural way. 1. Slugging with ceramide creams. Forget Vaseline. The new trend is using ceramide creams to seal in your nighttime routine. This hack locks in moisture without clogging pores and repairs your skin barrier overnight, perfect for dry or sensitive skin. 2. Green tea ice cubes. Brew green tea, freeze it and rub those ice cubes on your face in the morning. It instantly reduces puffiness, shrinks pores and calms your skin. Pro tip: use it before makeup for a smooth, fresh base. 3. Honey spot treatment. Got a breakout? Use raw honey as a spot treatment. It's naturally antibacterial and speeds up healing without harsh chemicals. Apply it overnight and wake up to less inflammation. 4. Serum plus foundation hack. Mix your hyaluronic acid serum into your foundation. This gives a hydrated, dewy finish and keeps your skin plump all day. It's skincare plus makeup in one move. 5. Salt water toner. Make your own toner with sea salt and water. It helps with acne, oil control and tightening pores, but careful, only use it 1 to 2 times a week to avoid over drying. 6. Avocado and oatmeal mask. Mash ripe avocado and mix it with oats for a deeply nourishing mask. It soothes irritation, moisturizes dry skin and leaves you glowing. Ideal for sensitive or sunburned skin. 7. Thin to thick layering. Always apply your products from thinnest to thickest: toner, serum, moisturizer, oil or cream. This maximizes absorption and makes every product work better. 8. Double cleansing hack. First, cleanse with oil to remove makeup and sunscreen. Then go in with a water-based cleanser. Your skin will be squeaky clean without being stripped. 9. SPF sandwich. For dry skin babes, try this. Apply moisturizer, SPF, then a light layer of moisturizer again. It keeps your skin hydrated and your sun protection locked in. 10. Banana peel rub. Yes, really, rub the inside of a banana peel on dark spots or dull areas. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Use 2 to 3 times a week and let the glow show. So which hack are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss your next glow up tip. Thanks for watching, and remember, your skin is magic. All products mentioned are budget friendly and easy to find. DIY queens, this one's for you. Bye.